Dear students, have a great day. In the first POC's business studies, already we have discussed first chapter, nature and the significance of business, and the second chapter, forms of business organizations. In the examination point of view, as well as in the knowledge point of view, both the chapters are very important because in the first chapter, we discuss about the meaning, characteristics and objectives of business, and already we have discussed various very important topics of business. And in the second chapter, forms of business organizations, we have discussed sole trading business organization and features of sole trading. Nextly, partnership business organization. In partnership, types of partners, types of partnership business organizations, and partnership deed, and Hindu undivided family business, and finally cooperative societies and various types of cooperative societies and the services of cooperative societies for the welfare of public. So these many topics already we have completed in the second chapter, forms of business organizations. Dear students, the third chapter, that is public, private and global enterprises. Today let us come to know the meaning of public, private and global enterprises. I mean, today's discussion regarding the various types of business organizations in the world. Basically, all type of business organizations means all business organizations in the world broadly categorized into three groups. One is public, another one private, and global enterprises. Means all the business organizations in the world. Some of the business organizations fall under public category and private category and global enterprises. Dear students, now let us have a brief discussion on public companies, private and global enterprises. Dear students, here public, first one is public. Public means the government, means a business invested, started, controlled, regulated and managed by state or central government. State or central government is called public sector or public companies. Public sector or public companies. So here public or a public sector companies means the companies which are invested, started, controlled and managed by state or central government, either state government or central government. Totally started by government, controlled by government, managed by the government, either state government or central government, is called public sector companies. The second category, that is private sector company or private companies. Here private companies means the companies are invested, started and controlled and managed by individual or group of individuals. Means companies started, controlled and managed by private people, not by the government, is called private companies. To the private companies, later I give you examples. And finally, global enterprises. See, global enterprises means operating business throughout the globe, called global enterprises. Means establishing business throughout the globe or establishing business in a different parts of the globe, called global enterprises. Now let me give you the meaning with examples for public, private and global enterprises once again. So public companies means the companies are started, invested, monitored and controlled by the government, either state or central government. Example, BEML, BHEL, BEL. So these are the examples for the public sector companies. In a public sector, there are three types: departmental undertaking, statutory corporations, and government companies. So examples for the public sector: BEML, BEL, BHEL, so BGML, BSNL. So these are the examples for public, because these companies were started by government, even now controlled by government, regulated by government, and monitored by the government. Private companies means, in the second chapter, forms of business organizations, already we have discussed so many types of business organizations. Means joint stock company, cooperative societies, Hindu undivided family business, sole trading business, partnership. Sole trading, partnership, cooperative societies, these are the examples to private sector or private companies. So sole trading business, private. Partnership business is private. Cooperative society is private. So even joint stock companies, private. So these are the examples for private companies. So private company means a company invested, started and controlled by individual or group of individuals, not by the government, is called private. So global enterprises means operating business throughout the globe or different countries or beyond the boundaries of the domestic, is called global enterprise. So examples to the global enterprises: multinational companies, transnational companies, international companies. Example, Coca-Cola, then uh, uh, we can say HP, Samsung, Wipro. These are the best examples. IBM. These are the best examples for global enterprises. Dear students, in the next class, we have in detail discussions on, deep discussions on public sector company, private sector company and global enterprises. Do remember, public sector companies means the companies started by the government, controlled by the government, investment by the government, monitored by the government. Private companies means companies used to invest, started and controlled by private people. Global enterprises means operating business in a different countries. I mean production, marketing, human resource, all these in different parts of the globe is called global enterprise. Example, Coca-Cola, IBM, Wipro, Infosys, Tata, Reliance. These are the examples. Thank you, my dear students. Thanks for watching. Do share, subscribe and comment.